Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today is Fan Art Friday, where you, one of our lucky subscribers, get to submit what we're gonna draw. All you have to do is send an email to the email below or in our description, and you could be one of our winners. This week's winner is Sherry from Pakistan, who requested Rimuru Tempest. So come join us for this easy step-by-step. All right guys, let's get started with Rimuru Tempest, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his chin first. So we're gonna draw something that looks like the letter V. So here we drew something that looks like the letter V. We drew it towards the bottom, leaving some space here and on the sides. Then we could draw some of his side of the face. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a diagonal line from here, a short one, and the same thing on the left side. From here, we could draw the details of his face. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his mouth first. And right in the middle of this, we're gonna draw two vertical lines, leaving some space in the middle. And then to connect the vertical lines, we're just gonna draw a big smiley face. So there we have his mouth, super easy. And then we could draw a little line under his mouth for just a little detail. It's a little horizontal line. From there, we could draw his nose, and right above his mouth, what we're gonna do is we could turn the paper or whatever you're drawing on, and we could make something that looks like the top of a triangle. That's nice. So there we have his nose. It looks like the top of a triangle, and it's right above his mouth. Then we could draw his eyes. So for his eyes, we're gonna leave some space in the middle on top of his nose, and then we could draw it. So what we're gonna do is, towards the top, we're gonna draw a curve that looks like a rainbow. That's gonna be the top of his eye, and whatever we do on the right side, we're gonna do on the left side, like a mirror. Wow. So there we did two curves like a rainbow. Then from here, what we could do is we could draw a curve that's gonna look like an oval. We're just not gonna close it. So let me do it first. So it looks like we're gonna make an oval, but we just did not attach it to the other side of the rainbow. And we could copy that same design on the left side.
So cute.
And then we could do an outside layer. So what we're gonna do is right on top of the rainbow, we're gonna draw one more rainbow, and it's gonna be super thin. Just like that. And then we could copy the same design just on the side closer to the end. Just like that. And then we could copy that same design on the left side. And then we have the details outside of his eyes. So now we could draw his eyeballs. So we're gonna draw inside of his eyes. And what we're gonna do is, towards the top, we're gonna make a scoop that looks like a big letter U.
Super.
The letter U touched the bottom of his eye, and we could copy that same design on the left side. And for the inside, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a big oval that goes around, and it's super wide. So it's gonna almost touch the U that we just made. Copy the same thing on the left side now. And then we're gonna draw one more oval, and it's gonna be super tiny and right in the middle. So we're just gonna make one super skinny, tiny oval. We'll do the same thing on the left eye. Awesome. And once we color it in, it's gonna look super awesome. And there we have it, guys. There we have his face. All we have left is his hair and his neck. So we're almost there. Hopefully you guys are finding it easy and having fun. Please like and subscribe. The next thing we could do is we could do his neck. So what we're gonna do is, right on his jaw, we're gonna come down with a really long vertical line touching the bottom of the paper or the canvas. We'll do the same thing on the right side. There we have his neck. And what we could do is, right in the middle where we made that little V, we could come down and we could make another V. So all the way at the bottom, we're just gonna make two diagonal lines that look like the letter V. This part is his shirt. And we could do little details. I'm gonna do two curves like a rainbow.
Perfect.
There we have his neck and his shirt. From here, we could do his hair. So his hair's, he has a lot of bangs and they're all over his face. So what we're gonna do is right in the middle of his eyes, we're just gonna make a curve that goes to a point. This same point, we could come back up with a curve, just like that. Then we're gonna copy the same thing on the right side, and we'll stop once we touch this part of his hair. What we could do is we could pretend and imagine that we're going underneath this part, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a little point like a triangle. It looks like it's on top of each other. And then from here we could continue with his bangs or the hair in the front of his face. And the only thing is the ones on the right are gonna point to the left, just like this, and then we'll return with a curve. and then the ones on the left will point to the right. And then we could do this throughout his whole forehead, okay? From here, we could do the outside of his hair. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a big curve like a rainbow, leaving some space from the top of his bangs. So here we're just gonna do a big curve and we're just gonna leave a little bit of space on the sides. So here we did a big rainbow, and this is also the top of his hair and his head. So from here, what we could do is we could do his hair that goes all the way down to his body, to his neck. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do these same points like we did for the hair in front of his face. We're just gonna do it going down the paper. So now that we have his hair going down, it's all flowy, it's sticking out.
Like and subscribe.
You guys could get creative with that too. I did some pointing out and then some that are curved in, made them at different lengths, however you guys want. Another thing we could do is right by his neck, we could make a curve like a smiley face connecting to his hair. So this curve is just to make it seem like the hair is also in the back of his head. And we could do it on the left side as well. And what we could also do is we could make a little curve right by the side of his face. We could finish connecting his face like this. And this curve is gonna be like his ear. And we'll do the same thing on the left side. The last and final thing that we could do for him is his eyebrows. So right above his eyes, we're gonna make a same curve like a rainbow. We're just not gonna pass through his hair. So we're just gonna imagine that we're behind his hair. And then from the end points, we're just gonna make an extra layer. We'll copy the same design on the left side.
Beautiful.
And there we have Rimuru. Look how awesome he looks. All that's left is to color him in. So this is our Fan Art Friday design. It is super awesome. Grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color him in. All right, everyone, so here we have our Fan Art Friday. It's Rimuru Tempest, and thank you, Sherry from Pakistan, for requesting this. This was such an easy and fun and cool drawing. I wanted to show you guys how light the blue is in his hair. We did like a darker blue in the back just so it pops out more. That little curve we made for his ear, we made it like a skin color. I did different layers or different shades of yellow in his eyes just so they pop out more, and hopefully you guys had fun drawing this because I know I did. And if you guys want to be featured on our next Fan Art Friday, make sure you submit your requests and maybe we'll choose your drawing. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.